Let's be real, you spend good money on your favorite yoga pants hoping they'd last forever. But after just a few washes, the magic is gone. They lose their shape, that buttery soft feel vanishes, and they just don't fit the same. Before you get frustrated and toss them to buy another pair, I'm going to show you the simple laundry hacks to keep them feeling brand new for years, not just months. These secrets will preserve their fit and softness, saving you hundreds of dollars. Yoga pants, the 3 biggest mistakes and how to fix them. Notice these mistakes that might be destroying your yoga pants without your knowledge and simple fixes using high heat. Washing in hot water and throwing them in a hot dryer degrades the elastic fibers like spandex and lycra. This is what causes a saggy waistband, baggy knees, and a loss of compression. You only need to wash your yoga pants in cold water on a gentle cycle and never put them in a hot dryer. The best way is to air dry them by laying them flat on a rack or hanging them up. This is the most important rule. The fabric softener trap. You want your leggings to stay soft, so you add fabric softener. This is a huge mistake. Fabric softener leaves a waxy residue that clogs the high-tech, moisture-wicking fabric. This traps moisture and locks in odor-causing bacteria, which is why your leggings might still smell funky even when they're clean. Ditch the softener. To truly fight odors and restore softness, pre-soak your leggings for 30 minutes in a mix of 1 part white vinegar and 4 parts cold water. Before you wash them, the vinegar smell rinses out completely, I promise. Letting them mingle with the wrong crowd. Tossing your leggings in with heavy, abrasive items like denim, towels, or anything with zippers is a recipe for destruction. Friction from rough fabrics causes pilling, and zippers can easily snag and tear the delicate knit. What you should do is to quarantine your yoga pants. First, always turn your leggings inside out. This protects the outer surface. Then, wash them only with other synthetic lightweight activewear. For extra protection, use a mesh laundry bag. Here are 2 quick bonus hacks for comfort and extending their life. Bonus hack 1, the waistband flip. If the top of the waistband digs in, just flip the top inch down. This creates a double-layered band that distributes pressure more evenly and can eliminate that digging sensation. Bonus hack 2, quick fix for small holes. Don't toss a great pair of leggings over a tiny snag. Use a small dab of clear fabric glue on the inside to seal it. A few quick stitches with matching thread can save a seam that's starting to unravel. It's all about working with the fabric, not against it. Remember, wash cold, air dry, skip the fabric softener, and wash them inside out with similar items. By making these small changes, you're not just saving your yoga pants, you're saving money. You invested in those pants because they make you feel amazing, and now you know how to protect that investment. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Now go rescue your yoga pants from your laundry room.